Alright, it's working on the RO system now. Same place. Running water to the drain, but nothing through production. I'm assuming we either have a feed solenoid that's stuck open or we're not getting power to the motor. So we'll just start the troubleshooting process and see where we're at. These are pressure switches. Looks like we got some burnt contacts. Well, that didn't take long. Burnt wires. That didn't take long at all to figure out. Okay, so we might have to disconnect this RO system, get this thing working here. Alright, just working on figuring out what we got going on here. So product water comes out here, check valve, and then we go to the product switch. And out. Definitely have, that's a low pressure switch, it looks like it's burnt out. Let's see what we can come up with here. Thinking. There we go. There we go. Okay, so the pump's not bad. We're going to adjust the drain here. Some more membrane pressure. Down a little bit. So drain, we're doing about 3 gallons and 1.5 gallons then production. Still low on membrane pressure, so I think there's a throttle valve on the pump here. Nope, no throttle valve. Leaking pretty good out of the caps here. Take that apart and see why we're not turning on either. Batteries are probably dead. A gallon and a half to 3. We're only making 115. Okay. See what we can figure out here. Alright, these membrane caps are just fighting me the whole way out here. Not getting any electrical stuff wet. Okay. See what we can come up with here. Okay. Get some new bolts for these. Alright. Put some new bolts on, that way if we go to replace the membranes in the future, it'll be way easier. Stainless steel bolts as well. pick up some new line here. These are just push lock hose. So center cap to center cap, side to side. Center cap to center cap. Okay. Center to center. Tighten those up. Okay, and then all right. Actually, should check the pre-filter here. Before we fire it up and see what we got going on. But I got a new filter with me. Alright, got my new lines ran. I'm going to add some zip ties here just for cosmetics. Got 100 psi membrane pressure, 3 gallon a minute, and right around 3 gallon. I'm going to adjust that down to 3 here once the drain. mark where my stuff's at. We're gonna check the water quality. Well, little test port here. Going to the drain. Got open. What kind of quality we're making. Not that good. We're in the 52 ppm, so that's not great. 51. Okay, we're going to shut that off once. That's probably our recycle valve, so I'm going to shut that off. See what we get now. Same thing. Not very good quality coming out right now. Interesting. So we probably need to put some new membranes in, is my guess.